Hello students, today we will continue our discussion on the chapter construction. Our today's topic is construction of angle 135 degree and construction of an equilateral triangle by the help of compass only. Okay, so let us start with construction of angle 135 degree. As you can see here, 8 steps are given to draw 135 degree by compass. Okay, first of all you have to draw a 90 degree with the help of compass. As you can see in this figure, HBD is 90 degree. Then you have to bisect this portion. Okay, that means you have to bisect this QE portion or QE arc. If you divide this QE arc in the left hand side, you will get a point G. This angle GBD, that means from here to here, it will be 135 degree. Okay, now with the help of these 8 steps we will draw this angle in our copy. Now we will discuss how to draw 135 degree with the help of compass only. Okay, first of all we have to take a ray. Suppose I am taking AD ray. This one is AD ray. Okay, at this between this ray I will take a point B. Okay, at this point B we will draw 90 degree. You know how to draw 90 degree with the help of compass. So I am drawing 90 degree. So this intersecting point, I am leveling all this point. This is C, this one is D, this one is E, and I am considering this point as F. So I am joining this B point with F point. So you can say that angle FBD is equal to 90 degree. Now consider this point as G and this intersecting point as H. Now we'll bisect this GH arc, okay, in the left hand side. So take the measurement of GH here. As you can see, I am taking this GH measurement. Take GH measurement and cut a arc in this side. Without changing this radius, point it at H and intersect the previous arc. Consider these two arcs intersects at the point I. Okay, join this I with B. So our this IBD angle will be 135 degree. That means this from here to here, this angle is 135 degree. In this way we have to draw 135 degree with the help of compass only. So we have discussed how to draw angle 135 degree with the help of compass only. As you can see in this figure, angle GBD is equal to 135 degree. Now we will discuss about construction of an equilateral triangle given its sides. Okay, how can you draw an equilateral triangle? By the help of compass only if one side is given. First of all, take a AB ray, okay, and with the help of this AB length you will construct this equilateral triangle. As you can see, here is 3 steps. With following this step we will draw this equilateral triangle in our copy. Now we will draw an equilateral triangle. Okay, we will draw an equilateral triangle with the help of compass only. First of all, you will take a line segment with certain length. Suppose I am taking 7 cm as the length. Now take a arbitrary big ray. Consider this point as A and this one as X. Now measure this 7 cm with the help of compass. Okay, measure the exact length with compass, and taking A as center, cut that length from AX ray. Now without changing this radius, cut a arc in the upper side. Now label this point as B. Without changing this radius, place the pin of the compass here at the point B and cut the previous arc. Consider the intersects at the point C. Mark this point as C. Now join this C point with B point. Similarly, join this C point with A point. This will be this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now you can verify the length, it is 7 cm or not. Look at here, this one is 7 cm, this one is also 7 cm, and this one is also 7 cm. So ABC is equilateral triangle with side length 7 cm. Okay, in this way we have to draw equilateral triangle with the help of compass only. Today we have discussed about how to construct 135° and an equilateral triangle with the help of compass only. You can verify the value of the angle with the help of protractor, and also you can verify the length of equilateral triangle with the help of scale. So this is all for today.